Hello, I'm Julie Lerman. Welcome to Entity Framework Core Fundamentals. I'm so happy you've come to Pluralsight to start your learning journey on EF Core. I've been a recognized expert in Entity Framework and EF Core for a long time. I've written books on it and created a lot of courses right here on Pluralsight in the past. So you're in good hands here. This course was created using Entity Framework Core 8. EF Core 8 will not run on any earlier version of .NET than .NET 8. Therefore, the course was also created using .NET 8, Visual Studio 2022 version 17.8, and C# 12. The course does not apply to earlier versions of EF Core or to Entity Framework 6. If you're working with those earlier versions of EF Core or even EF6, you might want to check out some of my older courses, which you can still find on my author page. If you're planning to follow along with the exercises, you can download before and after solutions from the Exercise Files tab for this course on Pluralsight, but I've also uploaded them all to GitHub on my GitHub account at this link. In this course, you'll learn about EF Core, Microsoft's cross-platform framework for accessing data in .NET applications. We'll focus on the basics, but you'll leave with practical knowledge for using EF Core in the software you build in your day-to-day job, not just for building demos. You'll start this course by building a simple application from scratch that performs some basic data access with EF Core. After this quick demo, you'll get to work learning about various ways of using EF Core to persist data that you're inserting, updating, deleting, and of course querying back from the database in your applications. With that in hand, you'll see how to control EF Core's ability to create a database and keep its schema up to date based on the model in your software. It will be useful to use EF Core's logging capabilities to have a better understanding of what kind of SQL EF Core is building, so you'll definitely learn how to implement logging. And the logging will be beneficial as we dig more deeply into interacting with the database, defining and persisting various relationship types like many-to-many and one-to-one. While EF Core is focused on generating SQL on your behalf, it also gives you the power to benefit from your own views and stored procedures and other objects in your database. So you'll learn how to work with these capabilities as well. The application you'll work with up until this point will be a simple .NET console app. But then you'll see how EF Core integrates with ASP.NET Core applications. After this, you'll get a look at features that EF Core provides to make testing easier when your tests involve data persistence. Before wrapping up the course, I do want to be sure that you can be productive with EF Core after watching this course. So I'll make sure you're aware of some more features and techniques that will be important in your day-to-day work, such as mappings, database connectivity, and tapping into EF Core's pipeline. Then you'll be able to follow up with other courses in the EF Core path to deepen your expertise and gain true mastery of EF Core. In this first module, we'll start with a very quick overview of EF Core, then dive right into Visual Studio 2022. You'll start with a small solution that I pre-created for you. It's in the Before download for this module. Then I'll walk you through adding another project to that solution to focus on using EF Core to mediate between the app and a database. You'll learn how to get the correct EF Core APIs into a project that's designed for data persistence, and then build up a data model using those APIs and the business classes in that pre-created solution. With this in place, you'll have enough to get a sneak peek at using what you created to insert and retrieve data from a database. While EF Core can interact with many databases, I'll be using SQL Server Local DB, which gets installed with Visual Studio.